Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into safe mode. So to get started, you will need to power it down. So let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. From here, once you're in the recovery mode, simply select safe mode from the bottom and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see now, the device is back on. It is in safe mode. Now in this mode, only the pre-existing applications will function. Normally anything else that was installed by you should not function. So as an example, as you can see, we have things like YouTube installed, which is in a native application here. And if you try to open it up, it tells you app isn't installed for some reason, even though technically it is, but safe mode is blocking it. So that is how you boot your device into safe mode. And from here you can troubleshoot it. And once you're done with it and you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key and select restart. Once you restart the device, it will go back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.